It's Memorial Day, and it's about 94 here today. It's about as hot as it's gotten for the day. Back here where Potter lives, I don't have a thermometer, but I don't think it's 94. It's a lot cooler because there's trees over his hutch. But these water bottles are what's keeping him cool. You can see. I guess he'd be panting if he were a dog. Yeah, here's our planes. That never stops. So, without these water bottles, I don't really know how he'd be feeling. He's resting his chin on his water dish here. I don't know. I'm a little bit of a neurotic mother, but it's not a big deal to swap these out every couple of hours. I just put these out, and this morning at, I think it was 8 o'clock, I put out 3 before that. And even though they were thawed out, the bottles, the water inside was still very cold, so he was comfortable. And I'll probably swap these out 1 or 2 more times. Just trying to keep him comfortable. I can't imagine having that much hair at 94 degrees. No. No, no, no. Yeah. So I hope it helps him. Anyway, that's what the research says, so that's what we do. Okay, more later. Bye-bye.